Today we're going to be working on Leetcode question number 204, count primes. Given an integer n, return the number of prime numbers that are strictly less than n. So if we have been given n, uh, we're going to be returning we're going to be returning 4, because we have 4 prime numbers which are less than 10, which are going to be 2, 3, 5 and 7. The way we're going to be doing it is using, let's say if we have if the input is 10, right? So what we're going to be saying is, like, we're going to have a list with a length of 10, and all the values initially are going to be equal to true. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then they're going to be indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then what we're gonna be doing is, like, we're gonna make the first two false, because 0 and 1 cannot be prime numbers. We're gonna start our I over here, and we're gonna go up to the end, which is the length of this one divided by 2 plus 1, which is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 6. So up to 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is gonna be our n. We're gonna take every single number, and then we're gonna go up to when we're gonna see that it is true. So basically our I is gonna go from this range, and then our j is gonna start from here. If it sees a true, then we're gonna say that make all multiples of that equals to false. So that this is gonna, so if we are here, we're gonna make 4, 6, 8, all of them equals to false. So false, false, false. Then we're gonna come here, and then we're gonna do the same thing, 3. So starting from the square of that, which is 9, and keep going until the end, and the end in this case is the same, so that is gonna be false. So in the end, we're gonna keep doing that. 4 and 5 are gonna be, yeah, we're not, they're gonna make any changes. So in the end, we're gonna take the sum of that, and that's gonna turn out to be 10. So that's gonna be our uh, answer, like the algorithm. So we are saying that that if n is less than 3, just return 0. We don't have any prime numbers. Otherwise, set the primes as a list of true, with how many of them are going to be n. And then we're going to say that the primes 0 is equal to primes 1 is equal to false. Once we have that, we're going to say for I in the range of starting from 2, we're starting the I from 2, and then we're gonna say it's gonna go up to n multiplied by 0.5, and we're gonna take the int of that plus 1. Yes, so we are basically going up to the half of the whole list, because we don't need to go all the way till the end. Okay, then if that I particular I is true inside the primes list, we're gonna say for j in the range of I multiplied by I it's gonna go up to n, and every single time we're gonna be taking I steps. Then the primes of j is gonna become equal to false, and that's it. And then we're gonna be just returning the sum of the primes. Looking good. Time limit is exceeded. Okay. We have that condition. Let's run it one more time. Really. So we are saying that if n is less than 30, we're good. So how can we optimize this thing? Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. So I just did the I just ran the thing few minutes ago and it didn't complain about anything. Wow. Let's just change the solution in this one, which I ran a minute ago. So surprising. Unexpected. Okay. Unexpected indentation. Okay. So what is the difference between these two things? This one is working, but this one doesn't work. Okay. they are exactly the same. If I do this, it does not like it. This time it did like it. Okay. Not sure why it was doing that. But after all, trying it multiple times, it starts working.